opening this cool and fun Hatchimals, these two ones. And it comes with a little nest. So, yeah. So my big sister's gonna open it for me, and I have a special guest. That is my sister. So I'm the special guest. I'm the big sister. We hung up, but okay. So we'll start. Okay, so we started over. So yeah. Should I cut it? Oh, you can open it like this. See? Okay. No, not. You just gotta pull the whole thing. Okay. Oh, this that. Whoa! Actually, I'll just do what I want to do. Oh, see? It already came out. Whoa. Okay, so we'll I'm gonna have to do this, take that off. Yep. Oh, see, it's already collected, guys. Oh, yeah. So, actually, can you see it? It's a cute little pink nest. How do you pop it out? Oh, no, there's some, see? Oh, I gotta take that off. Can you help me, Ash? Yeah, of course, take that off. Oh, like this? There you go. Pop it. Okay. Wonder what's in it. Yeah. Ooh, but what is this? Hmm? What is what? Well, that's weird. Let's check the collector guide though. Okay. Alright, I got my egg and I'm gonna heat it up with not my mouth. Really? Has to turn pink, Eden. Like this? I'm gonna warm up my finger. No! I'm just gonna reuse my mouth. Okay, that's it's turning pink. Yeah, instead of rub it on herd. Don't get lobstered by the rubbing black. So, when it's all the way pink, you know it's super soft. Okay, this is taking some. Look at mine too. Yeah, it's turning pink. Do you guys know what Hatchimals are? Yeah. Tell me in the comments, okay? Yeah, tell me in the comments below. Oh, at the end of this video, you're going to give us a huge thumbs up. Click the subscribe button too. You supposed to say that at the end, silly. Yeah. But it's okay. We'll just do this. Help me. Look. Can I do the rest? The egg is breaking. Can I do the rest too?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna leave it there. I know. It's all. You have to throw away the extras you have here. Thing here because I don't know. That's how it works. It's how cool. Does it work? Attach it. Like this? Do I still have to do this? No. You have to do that. I'm trying to. Yeah, just squish it at the top. Can you help me? You see it there? How long is this going to take? Woo, finally. Ooh, finally got it open. Now I'm just going to put it all in here. Oh, look at this. Finally, I'm almost there. Oh, look what fell in. The heart piece. I'm still doing mine. Oh my gosh, it's so fuzzy. Can I look at it. What is it, a giraffe? I don't know, but it's adorable. Oh, it's a little puppy. Still open mine. Oh, it's so soft and snuggly, isn't it? Okay. Look what it's so hard. It's not. This is mine. We can share it, but look. Well, I got it. I wish you guys can feel it. Kind of feel it. Feel it? It's nice. Guys, so guys, bye. Make sure to give us a huge thumbs up. Click subscribe button. Turn on vacation. Give us huge thumbs up. Yes. Subscribe to our channel. Family Unboxed.